Robert's first question was for you, Brian, about collecting stores when you're not near, maybe a couple thousand miles away. So without giving us anything proprietary that would impact security, you want to give us a general sense of, because again, you've got the same thing that Casey has, right? 150 miles away, 1,000 miles away. The point is you're far away. So what would you share with Robert here on the line about how to deal with the collections when you're not anywhere nearby?
Sure, right. I mean, so guess what? If machines fill up with coins, they stop working, right? This is the age-old problem. Right. Having the ability to have other payment options other than just coins is really important, because you don't want to let your machines go down. Even if they get full, they'd still be able to operate. But you got to have somebody who can step in and collect for you if you're not going to be the person to do it. A mentor of mine once told me, if you don't have time, you need a team. And that's very true, right? So having a team gives you back your time. And for me, that allows me to make 2 to 3 trips a month to California to problem solve, essentially. Yes, I run around to all the stores. I will collect money, process it, and get it in the bank. But also, my purpose when I'm in town is really to meet with the team, make sure the team's working properly, address any concerns that they have, so that they can do their jobs better. And
right.
And that's how you scale.